Hey friends, so today we are diving into something very exciting, building together a modern SQL data warehouse project. But this one is not any project, this one is a special one. Not only you will learn how to build a modern data warehouse from the scratch, but also you will learn how I implement this kind of projects in real-world companies. I'm Baraa and I have built more than 5 successful data warehouse projects in different companies. And right now I'm leading big data and BI projects at Mercedes-Benz. So that means I'm sharing with you real skills, real knowledge from complex projects. And here's what you will get out of this project. As a data architect, we will be designing a modern data architecture following the best practices, and as a data engineer you will be writing a code to clean, transform, load and prepare the data for analysis. And as a data modeler you will learn the basics of data modeling, and we will be creating from the scratch a new data model for analysis. And as a data analyst or data scientist we will answer more than 20 real-world business questions using the data warehouse we built. And my friends, by the end of this project you will have a professional portfolio project to showcase your new skills, for example on LinkedIn. So feel free to take the project, modify it and as well share it with others. But it's gonna mean the world for me if you share my content. And guess what? Everything is for free, so there are no hidden costs at all. And in this project we will be using SQL Server, but if you prefer other databases like MySQL or Postgres, don't worry, you can follow along just fine. So this is the plan. Let's start with the first step. What is exactly a data warehouse?